Why men buy motorcycles.
All you're doing is saying this guy was some super freak. He found some super thing in his brain that was locked up. He unleashed it and became this guy. It's a fucking lie. Because every day I wake up, I dread the day. And all this stuff was just coming on me. And I have to find something. And Goggins came out. Like through all my insecurities, all my fears, all my doubts, all my introverted ways. I used to stutter real bad. Everything I did, I had to find strength in that. So what I did was I became that big, bad, nasty motherfucker that you don't want to walk into at nighttime.